Good morning student, I am Hussain sir, and today we will see factors determining or affecting elasticity of demand. In previous lecture we had seen the method of measuring price elasticity of demand, and in this lecture we will see what are the factors which will affect or determine the elasticity of demand. Before going on lecture, we will remind the meaning of elasticity. The word elasticity means responsiveness, sensitivity. The word elasticity is derived from the word elastic. Elastic means flexible, stretchable. Elasticity of demand means responsiveness, sensitivity. And in this topic we will see what are the factors which will affect the elasticity of demand. Due to that, the elasticity of demand may be affected. The first and most important factor is nature of commodities. By the nature, commodity can be classified into two types: necessary commodities or luxurious commodities. Necessaries product are those products which are daily use and consumed by the customer and which are compulsory to be purchased and consumed by customer. It means daily they have to purchase the product and consume for their consumption. The consumption of luxury product may be postponed because it is because it is costly products which are purchased by high level income group people. Now here commodity may be either or necessary. Normally elasticity of demand for necessary is inelastic, means fixed. Whatever the price of those commodity increase or decrease, the demand is inelastic, fixed, because it is daily consumption product which are compulsory consumed by customer. Now consumption of luxury product may be postponed. That's why the luxurious demand tend to be elastic. The demand of luxurious product may be elastic because the consumption may be postponed for this product and commodities. Now second factor. Now next, durability. The second factor which will affect the elasticity of demand is durability. There may be some durable product or less durable product. The demand for durable goods is elastic because the consumption may be postponed. If we do not have the sufficient money, we can postpone the purchase or consumption for that product. But whereas the demand for perishable goods is inelastic, the demand of perishable goods is inelastic because the perishable goods, if we purchase more perishable good, we cannot keep it into the stock for long period, and those goods which cannot keep stock for long period, we cannot demand more for that product. That's why the demand for perishable goods is fixed, inelastic, and at the place of perishable goods, the other goods, the demand for durable goods is elastic. We can purchase more commodities or goods or keep it into the stock. We can also postpone the consumption of this commodity for the future. In simple language, we can say that the elasticity of demand for durable goods is elastic and non-durable goods is inelastic. Now third important factor, that is substitute good. Availability of substitute also determine elasticity of demand. The larger the number of substitute for a commodity in the market, demand tend to be more elastic. If there are many substitute available for the product. If there is change in the price of that product, the demand will be highly elastic, highly changeable. Though if there is no any change, if though there is nothing changes in the price of that commodity, but the change in the its substitute commodity may affect the demand of this commodity. That's why the product which have more substitute, the demand for those goods may be more elastic. For example, Coca-Cola and Pepsi soft drink, these are the substitute product for each other. If the price of any product change, it will affect the demand of other product also. If the price of Coca-Cola increase, the demand of other Pepsi product may increase, and the demand of Coca-Cola may decrease. These were the some example in which we can see that the price of the substitute goods, the product which have more substitute goods, the demand of those goods may be more elastic. Now next, use of commodity. It is also depend on the uses of commodity, the factor which will affect the elasticity of demand. The product which have more uses, which have several uses, the demand of those commodity is elastic. For example, electricity has more uses. The demand for electricity is elastic, changeable. When commodity can be put to several uses, its demand is elastic. The demand of electricity is elastic. For fifth point is price. Price also an important factor which influence or determine elasticity of demands. Goods which are very highly priced or very low price, demand is normally inelastic, that is fixed. For example, demand for matchbox and diamond is inelastic. The price of matchbox is very low, but which we cannot purchase more matchboxes, and demand of diamond is also very high, but it is not demanded more by the high level people. The demand of these two goods is remain fixed, inelastic due to very high price or very low price. Next, habits. Habit means there are some habitual goods. The price of those goods may be increase or decrease, but there is no change in the demand of that commodities. Habitual goods, the elasticity, habit influence elasticity of demand. The demand which satisfy the habit is normally inelastic. For instance, the demand for cigarettes is inelastic. Also, consumption of essential goods cannot be postponed, therefore demand for them is inelastic. We can say that the medicine is the life-saving product. The consumption of this medicine cannot postpone. That's why the demand of life-saving product is also inelastic, fixed, and habitual goods, cigarette, tobacco products, the demand of this product is also inelastic due to the habitual consumption of this product. The price may too much increase or decrease, but consumption cannot be postponed. Due to that, we can say that demand of these habitual goods is inelastic. Next, income of consumer. Income of consumer may also influence the elasticity of demand. When income level is high, demand is normally inelastic, and demand is elastic when a very low level of income. When the income of people is increases, the demand of those people is inelastic, because they will start saving their money for the future consumption. But the increase decreases, the demand is changeable, they will decrease their consumption due to decline in the level of income. That's why we can say that income of consumer is the important factor which will influence the elasticity of demand. Next, proportion of income spent. It is also an important factor which will also influence the when larger portion of income is spent on any particular commodities or goods, the demand of those goods is inelastic. For example, the larger portion of income of the salaried people or other people may spend on necessary product for the consumption. That's why we can say that when portion of income spent is large, the demand for goods tend to be inelastic. For instance, demand for food grain is inelastic because the larger portion of income of the people of middle class family or salaried people, they spend their larger portion of income for purchasing or consumption of necessity product, that is food and grains. Ninth point है complementary goods. Complementary goods is also an important factor which influence elasticity of demand. Complementary goods means when two or more products are combinedly used for satisfying a single need or for making a single product. When two or more product combinedly used, that will call complementary goods. For example, for making tea powder, sugar, milk, water, these are used for making a single product, that is tea. These were all complementary goods. By and large, demand for complementary goods is inelastic because complementary goods such as motor car and petrol are demanded jointly. Because these goods are demanded jointly for satisfying a single needs, that's why demand for complementary goods is inelastic, fixed. Dear students, these were some factors which influence the elasticity of demand. If you understand the video, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, if you want the video in multiple language, then you can comment in comment box. Thank you.